Stop scrolling, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to bulk create content videos fast using the Grok AI automation tool without stress, without overwhelm, and without spending all day editing. If you've been stuck posting inconsistently because creating videos takes too long, this tutorial is for you. Here's what we're doing today. I'll walk you step by step through how to use the Grok AI automation tool to quickly generate multiple videos for your content in one simple flow. You'll learn how to install the extension on your device, set it up properly, and start turning one idea into a batch of ready-to-post videos. But don't skip ahead. Wait till the end, because I'm going to show you a full real example. How I use the Grok automation to create a viral, healthy fruit content video, step by step. You'll see how the topic is generated, how the script is created, how the scenes are laid out, and how everything turns into a video you can actually post. No guessing. No figure it out yourself. Just a clear workflow you can repeat anytime you want to create content in bulk. So grab your device, follow along with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use Grok automation to create videos quickly, consistently, and stress-free.
Orange supports collagen production to help keep your skin looking firm and fresh. And enjoying me in the morning helps your body absorb my vitamin C after an overnight fast. Avocado provides healthy fats and vitamin E that help nourish your skin from within. And I'm best enjoyed at lunch, so your body can steadily use my nutrients throughout the day. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants that help your skin handle everyday environmental stress, and I make a perfect mid-morning snack to gently support your natural glow. Watermelon is packed with water and lycopene to help maintain hydration balance, and I'm especially refreshing in the afternoon when your body needs fluid support. Papaya contains vitamin A and natural enzymes that support smooth-looking skin, and I'm best eaten after breakfast to complement healthy digestion. Carrot offers beta.
To start this, so I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 topic idea for health niche talking objects, okay? So I put in the prompt, ChatGPT gave me all this topic, okay? Then here, I want to select, create a content about fruits that make your skin glow inside your body, okay? So this is the title I picked. So when I asked the prompt, I asked ChatGPT to write image prompts for that particular topic I picked. All right. So what I did here is ChatGPT output this image scene for me. All right. So next thing is I want to generate images for this particular scenes. You need to refer to my previous video where I talked about how to bulk create image using auto whisk automation. Okay, so the video is up above the screen. You can go and watch that and see how I generated all these images using auto whisk. I don't have to do it one after the other. So what I will do now is I'll just copy the prompt. Okay, I'll copy the prompt and head over to auto whisk and upload my create my images. So here is my auto whisk, and this is Whisk AI. I'll be using that to generate the images. Just paste in the prompts you want, images you want to create, and just click on start. I want it to run on this project. That's all you need, and the images will automatically generate and save to your device. So as you can see, I've been able to generate all these images. So after you've generated the images are ready now. I will come back to ChatGPT and ask, please write video prompts with camera angle, okay, for each scene with no dialogue, okay? Just type that, click generate. ChatGPT has given us the camera angles and the video scenes for each of the image scene we requested. So the next thing now is for us to create our auto Grok. I know a lot of you know Grok. The next tool will be used.
Welcome to Learn with Cece. It's time to discover, create, and grow.
The next thing now is for us to create our auto Grok. I know a lot of you know Grok. The next tool we'll be using is Grok AI to animate this video. Grok AI is the AI tool that we use to generate automate videos, okay, images to videos. It can also create images, but recently we have an automation that can create that images for you step by step. So watch as I install the extension on this laptop. So to install Grok automation extension on your desktop, how do you do that? So when you open your Grok AI, I will advise you can use Grok AI to generate images, maybe to generate video, but there is limit to that. Okay, if you want to use this automation, I will advise you to subscribe to Grok monthly subscription, so you will have access to unlimited video generation. So the first thing you will do is you will tap on your extension at the top of your laptop. When you click on it, you scroll down, you will see where it says manage extension. You tap on manage extension. So when you come to this interface, on the left hand side you see Chrome Web Stores. Okay, tap on it, and here it will say you search for the extension you want to download to your laptop. Mind you, this is laptop. I will still show you how you can install this Grok automation also on your mobile. So when you come here, type Grok automation. When you search it, you see Grok. This is the logo. Tap on the extension. It will come over here and ask you to add to Chrome. Okay, you click add to Chrome, add extension. That will be added to your laptop or your desktop extension. Okay, here it will ask you Grok automation. Click on install. That will install to your device. Once you're done with the extension installation, the next thing you will do is to come over to your Grok AI, click on Imagine. Okay, Imagine is always on the left hand side. When you tap on Imagine, you have to open the extension. This is the extension at the top of your screen. Tap on it and you will see Grok automation. So select the extension you need. It will open this way. So let me talk you through here. Here you can see here, because Grok offers text to video. Okay, Grok do offer frame to video and text to images, image to image, depend what you want to animate at the time. And you scroll down. Remember, we are doing one prompt per line. Okay, and here delay, because it's automation, sometimes you might experience delay, but it is fast. All right, so don't touch anything, just scroll down. Here in this box where it says prompt, you need to paste in your prompt. But first of all, let's select the control we want. Here we are selecting frame to video. Okay, so when you select frame to video, it will ask you to upload your image. So click on upload. I want you to upload your images scene by scene. So you can go to ChatGPT and make sure that it is in line with how your prompt goes. All right, so I will be selecting just one. Select all the ones that applies. All right, select it. Make sure you select your images. Select it as it appears on your scene prompt. Okay, now I've selected it. I'll click open, so it will select here. So here it can ask you to custom the order, or you can leave it the way you've selected it. All right, another thing I want to talk to you about this automation is mainly is for maybe narration videos or videos that you need voiceover for. In terms you want to lip sync, remember Grok AI can lip sync your images. Okay, it's at the moment you might not be able to achieve that with this automation. This is just to animate your video. Okay, so once you input all that, here it will ask you prompts. So head over to ChatGPT. When you head over to Chat, you will copy the prompts that ChatGPT gave to you, the ones that it gave you for this one. This is the one he gave you for the camera angles and video prompts. Okay, you copy that and paste it into the Grok automation. Okay, you can see 6 seconds. I can select 10 seconds because I have Grok Pro. But if you don't have Super Grok, you can leave it on 6 seconds. Okay, so this is it. I'll go ahead and select 10 seconds because I have Super Grok. I'll still do a video how you can get Super Grok free. All right, I'll still do a video about that. So here you select, I'll select 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Then after that, you can see each prompt. Once everything is okay, please make sure you match the prompt with the appropriate images. Then you select run. So once you select run, it will start running, okay? So once you select everything, you click run. Make sure everything you're doing, you need to open Grok AI interface open before you'll be able to use this extension. So click on run and it will start creating. Here it will ask you for aspect ratio. If you want to change aspect ratio, you can as well change the aspect ratio. So another thing you will do, you can click on settings, okay? Click on settings. Here it will ask you to select the aspect ratio. You can select the aspect ratio. If you're doing it for YouTube tutorial, you can select it for YouTube, okay? YouTube tutorial. You do all the settings here. Click I want 1 images, okay? 1 image per time. And after that, you click on save. All right, if you want so once you've selected all your settings, you select your quality, everything, okay, just look out for what you want. I've advised to just leave it on 1 image per frame, okay? We don't want to end up wasting a lot of credit. And this is the default, but remember I have Super Grok, so I've selected 10 seconds video. Click on control back again after you've done your settings. Scroll down and click on run, okay? Once you click on run, Grok will automatically start to generate the images, as you can see here, scene by scene. How amazing is this? This is the most easiest way now. You can start to create your content without any stress, without you going through generating images step 1 by 1 or animating it 1 by 1. I will urge you to please like, share this content and subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials like this. And as it's creating here where it says running, you can see once 1 image creates, you see the number of prompts. I have 8 prompts in total. So you can see it generating step by step. Seriously, I am amazingly enjoying this step of creating content. Once you're done generating all your videos, okay, because remember, Grok automation will just generate the video and save it directly to my device. So these are the videos that Grok AI, animated and saved directly to my device. So these are the videos. How super amazing. Okay, so next thing is to create a voiceover script for the scenes. So here I'll ask ChatGPT to write a voiceover script for the scene. So ChatGPT will just generate the script per scenes, all right? Then you can, copy the scenes and head over to voiceover of your choice to generate. So copy the prompts and head over to any AI tool of your choice that generates text to speech, okay? So you can use Google AI Studio. Head over to Google AI Studio, text to speech. I'll be using Gemini 2.5, okay? When you come over, select single audio and paste in your voiceover. Select the voice you need, okay? Once you click on run. Once your voiceover is ready, you can use any editing tool of your choice, CapCut, InShot, to combine your video, and that's content for you. See you in my next tutorial. Thank you.
Orange supports collagen production to help keep your skin looking firm and fresh. And enjoying me in the morning helps your body absorb my vitamin C after an overnight fast. Avocado provides healthy fats and vitamin E that help nourish your skin from within. And I'm best enjoyed at lunch, so your body can steadily use my nutrients throughout the day. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants that help your skin handle everyday environmental stress. And I make a perfect mid-morning snack to gently support your natural glow. Watermelon is packed with water and lycopene to help maintain hydration balance, and I'm especially refreshing in the afternoon when your body needs fluid support. Papaya contains vitamin A and natural enzymes that support smooth-looking skin, and I'm best eaten after breakfast to complement healthy digestion. Carrot offers beta-carotene that helps support an even-looking skin tone, and pairing me with meals that include healthy fats helps your body absorb my nutrients more efficiently. Spinach provides iron and vitamin C to support healthy circulation that contributes to a vibrant appearance, and I work best when added to lunch or early dinner. Pomegranate contains natural polyphenols that support overall skin vitality, and enjoying me in the morning allows your body to benefit from my antioxidant properties throughout the day.